How are you all? Hope you are doing very well. Today we're going to clean up our validation using the form request, and we will also build user registration page with proper architecture. Also we're going to revisit the welcome page and we make it much better. Okay, so last lesson we have done the login, okay, and we see how we can log in and we create our login controller. So if I go back, I just want to do some refactoring here. So here the controller is doing the validation, which is not good practice. So let's create a class for the validation. So we do PHP artisan make request, and we call this login request, and then we're going to move this to the new class login request, this one, and we will move it here like this. Okay, and we can do add a new validation like this will be, or let's do it in here, email. This has to be email address, and here authorized here, basically I want to make it true, which is mean anyone can execute this because no harm for this one. Okay, so back here, and we're going to use our new class login request, and in here we're going to do validated here. What mean by this? Laravel will validate against the rules that we have put here and give us array of values after validation, which can be used here. Okay, so this basically this will small refactoring. Now let's do the registration. If I go here and back to the home page, click register here, so nothing happened. So let's go ahead and do what you have to do, and let's do here defined a new route and get and call this register, yeah, and in here we need to, because this is a register, we need to create a new controller, PHP artisan make controller, and we call this register controller. Okay, and now let's use it here. Register, which is this one. Okay, I didn't want to use the full, let's import it like this, and we need to create the index action here. Okay, now let's call, but we have inside the auth, we don't have this file yet, so let's go ahead and create this one, auth, and let's create PHP file template.php, which is all good. Now I have designed this, we're not going to waste our time with HTML, so I will grab this and I will paste here. So this basically at form, we use this is RF here to protect the form, only will be accepted from our website, and some error here and nothing fancy at all, name, email, password, and that's it. Okay, but we need here to define the route for the post. Okay, we just grab this here and make post, and let's hit the store, and no need for this one here. Okay, so we have a store, register post. Let's create the store here, which is this one here. Okay, let's build this one now. So first of all, we're going to build the registration request, same as we done for the logo request, which is very similar. This one here, login, we need to do register. Okay, and let's use it here, register request code. Now let's define the rule. I have the rules already, so just copy and paste them here. Basically, let's define true, mean that anyone can execute this. Require, I need the name, maximum 255, email has to be unique in the users table, and has to be email. Same here, minimum 6 character, and has to be confirmed, which is mean the password confirmation need to be matched. Okay, so this basically it here. Now this will execute the validation. Let's create the user now. User, we will do Let's grab the first let's create the user now. User, okay, create, and we have the name, email, and password, and that's basically it. Yeah, and now we can log in the user using the facade here, login, and we just use the user here. Okay, after this has been successful, we redirect to the home page or to the dashboard. Okay, so login, let's return to the, what is the home route? So this one here. Okay, so let's return to that route. Okay, so this basically, let's give it a try. Let's go to the welcome page here, and we need to do here, we need to use the route register, and let's go back here and let's go. Yeah, cool. So this is the register form now. Let's do whatever here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's use another email, and here we should hit the register. Okay, let's first of all dump here and see what we have here after we make the request. Yes, the password doesn't match. Okay, which is cool. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Cool. Now we reach here, which is called the token, which is this from the CSRF, and blah blah. Now let's remove the dump here, and let's refresh, and cool. Now we're getting here, this not defined. Okay, very easy. Okay, he created the user for us here, but here we need to fix this, which is very easy to fix. But before I fix this, we need to do MySQL database, to use MySQL database, not the SQLite here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to go to the M file here and do here MySQL. Okay, and let's command this, all of these, and I already have the map, okay, in my Mac, so you can use WAMP or whatever. So here I will use this database here, course platform, and I bet here database. Okay, and let's run the PHP migrate here to see how it goes. Okay, we have connection refuse here. Okay, we have connection refuse here. The way how to solve that, because I have MAMP here installed on my Mac, I have to tell the Laravel where is the sock, like this. Okay, so we put this here, the socket for this one. Now let's do PHP artisan migrate fresh and seed. It should work. Yeah, cool, it's working now. Now let's create it. So maybe you don't need to do this here, but in my case I need to tell this where is the socket. Okay, back to here, and let's create the user again, but let's fix this, which is easy fix here, and just give it a name. Okay, like welcome, and back here to the register, and just go to the welcome route. Okay, let's back to this one here, and let's do 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and register page expire. Okay, sorry, because we run the migrate. Okay, so let's do one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here we go correctly. Now if I go to the table users, we can find the new user has been created. Very straightforward. Now guys, after we build the registration and login, this page is like we need to bring it to life. Okay, we should have created the HTML for it, and just I will copy and paste here. So I will go to the welcome here and be just design. I designed, so we don't need to waste our time to build this. So I build it. Let's refresh the page, and here we go. We have lovely design here. I have also the image. I will grab the image and back here and go to the public folder, and I paste the image here, and I will call it banner, and here back here and replace the image assist, and images and this one here. It should replace the image here. Yeah, cool. So we have this here, which is nice. Now we have dashboard, contact, about, courses, and home. And this basically it, guys, for this video. We have refactored the login to use the login request, and we have built the registration controller, and we have designed the home page. Okay, so this basically it. Because we have some time, guys, I'm not happy about this called welcome, so let's create folder called home here. Okay, and let's define this, or let's bring this here, and let's give it index. Okay, and here I believe we'll break something here. Yes, welcome not found. So basically let's go here in the web and tell them, okay, we don't have this, but we have this home.index. This basically it. Yeah, so we refactor from welcome to home index, and we have the dashboard, and we will build all of these. This will be the home controller. Yeah, in case the user is not logged in, okay, it will, for example, if I go to the other browser, I put Ingenio here and go, we will see the login and the register. So here the user is already logged in here when he not logged in. Okay, so okay, guys, this basically is for this video. A lot of exciting things coming. Enrollment in the courses, and the staff manage the courses from the from the admin side. And yes, we will build this step by step. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Please subscribe and share and comment. And the final source code will be available in the last episode of this course. Will be the final source code. Okay, thank you guys for your watching, and see you. Bye.